In this highly anticipated episode, we are delving into the intricate world of extracorporeal suturing in lab surgery. In this video, we will take your skills one level higher by exploring the art and science of suturing outside the body during lab procedures. Next knot will be Meltzer's knot, friend. It is also called modified Roeder's knot also, and it is basically designed for a more slippery structure and monofilament sutures. So Meltzer's knot is basically, as I said, modification, and it is also called 232 knot, basically designed for monofilament sutures like nylon or PDS. And again, the trick is same. Basically, left suture is small. The tail end I have kept as a artery has applied. So here I'll take two half reap knots, as we take two throws in the suturing. So I'll take two half knots. This is the first half, and then I'll take the second half. Okay, then hold this knot between the thumb and index finger. Don't let these basically loops get intermingled, otherwise knot will get basically will not get tightened properly. Then you have to stack these binds. So two knots, two half reap knot, three binds, and again two. Basically you have to take two locks, and lock is again on the opposite end, that is the longer end, and don't tighten it. Again, the mantra here will be keep it loose enough. Once you start sliding, then you can tighten it further, otherwise it won't slide. Then stack these knots and binds properly, like here, and then you can start sliding, and it will hold quite a good strength. It won't slip back. And this is one of my favorite knot while doing the extracorporeal knotting, and it gives an added security of 232 knot. Similarly, you can watch here if the color these tapes in fast forward mode. So friends, there will be many videos available on YouTube, but I have received many requests from my students that they want a good basically complete series on this extracorporeal knotting. So here it is, and I hope we will be able to add some new insight. And the mantra to these knots is to keep practicing and make at least 100 knots each of Roeder's, Meltzer, Tayside and Tumble Square. Then you will master. You will generate your own tips and tricks. So I have taken two half reap knot, then three binds, and then there will be two locks. So again, you can see that with the help of color coding, the lock is on the opposite limb, that is on the longer limb, and then two locks. Don't tighten it too much, and then we can slide it beautifully. So this is the Meltzer knot, and this is, I find, one of the most secure knot, and this is the some sort of real-time simulation for you guys. So we are using here number 1 nylon. As I said, Meltzer is more secure and knot, and basically designed for this monofilament sutures. So after encircling the structure which I want to take in the knot, I have taken out the needle, and how to take out, how to basically pass these needle, I'll make short video for you guys. So I'm holding the tail end with the help of this artery forceps, and I'm requesting my daughter to help me in this video. And you have to practice that all the movements are with the help of your hands, and you are not much dependent. So again, the tricks is same. The assistant will keep a thumb on the exit or port that will stop the gas from leaking, and will also basically help to keep the right and left suture separate. So 232 will be the process, and again, keep steady. Left hand will not move. All the movements has to be done by the right hand. Then take three vines, stack them properly. So stacking properly means that the first bind, second bind, three bind should come subsequently. They should not overlap. And keep these binds firmly between your index and thumb finger, and then you take a lock. Don't tighten it too much, and then you start sliding and you can tighten it further. Stack them properly and it will hold beautifully. Cut the tail end, basically this short end, to 2-3 centimeter as desired. 2 centimeter is sufficient. In monoclinium you can keep it up to 3 centimeter. Then slide it and your secure tight Meltzer knot is ready. So friends, that brings us to the end of this extracorporeal knotting, and I hope we were able to add some new insight to your knowledge. And every stitch you make brings you one step closer to the mastery. Embrace the challenge, embrace the journey, and become the skilled surgeon you aspire to be. Do download our app and embark on a journey of mastery and precision. And if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, then do like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future update. Till next time, happy suturing and stay tuned. The best is yet to be. Thank you very much.